All right, it is 19 January 2018, and we got some snow here in Bloomfield, Indiana. And apparently the wife, I don't know what she was doing, but at any rate, the truck is off the driveway, as you can tell. There was a parking pad over there to the left that apparently, I don't know what she was doing, because there's no tire tracks even there on the parking pad. Apparently she was maybe trying to come up the driveway, and the back end slid to the left, and things just got worse. And you can see there's a board there underneath the back tire where she tried to put that underneath there, and there's a snow shovel in the back, and she just got it off road and couldn't get it back on. And so last night when I got home, as you can see, I couldn't get up past the truck on the driveway, so I parked there. And so today's task is to get the truck back on the pavement, get it out of the yard in the snow, and back onto to the blacktop here. So the first thing I'm going to do is get the Kubota out and scrape up the snow so that I've got enough traction with the tractor to pull the truck out, and the truck, once it gets on pavement, can have some traction. So we're going to clear the driveway with the Kubota, and then hook the Kubota to the truck and pull it out of the yard. Alright, so here we are next to the truck. I'm going to clear the driveway up above the truck first. I'm not sure how much I'll be able to clear around the truck very easily or safely. But I really need the driveway cleared above the truck in order to be able to pull the truck up out of the lawn. So, alright, we're going to start, we got the tractor over here. Going to start pushing some snow around. Got a parking pad up there on top. We're going to clear out, which is where the truck normally sits, and start working our way down the driveway. Alright, the truck can't even back up the driveway, even with the snow gone, so we're going to have to tow it back up to its parking spot with the tractor. Alright, so now we're going to see how I do with the minivan getting up the same hill. I bet you I do better. And that's how you drive up an icy driveway.
But he was sliding to it first.